Connection in between the tractor and trailer. Gonna start with the electrical line connection. On the trailer side, connections. It's properly mounted and secure in lock position. There's no damage to the plug. And also you want to maybe pull out and make sure there is no contaminants inside or debris. Then I will test or inspect the tractor side of the connection the same way as I mentioned for the trailer. We're going for electrical line, making sure that it's not rubbing against the catwalk or any other moving parts of the tractor or trailer. And there is no damage to the line itself, no exposed wire, no weather rot, and properly mounted. Air line connections. We got glad hands on this side. On the trailer side, glad hands are in lock position, properly mounted and secure. Make sure there is a rubber seal present in between them. There's no damage to the rubber seal here. There's no damage to the rubber seal on the glad hand. And I will check the other side the same way. And also on the tractor side, since we don't have glad hands, we have fittings. You want to make sure the fittings are not damaged and you don't hear any audible leaks. And then the lines itself, service and emergency lines, they are both properly mounted, secure. No abrasions, bruises or cuts, no weather rot, no damage, and most importantly, make sure it's not leaking air, no audible leaks. And also it's not touching the catwalk or any moving parts or any parts of the tractor trailer. And we have another connection right here, which is my skid plate. We're gonna start with the apron. Apron is properly mounted and secure under the trailer. Not bent, broken or cracked. No modifications like illegal weld or holes. And then I have fifth wheel right here. It's properly mounted and secure. It's not bent, broken or cracked. All the hardwares are present. We're looking at these pivot pin, cotter pin, and locking pins. In this case, there are nuts and bolts right there. And make sure in between the apron and a fifth wheel there's no gap, no daylight. And a platform is properly mounted and secure to the frame. It's not bent, broken or cracked. All the hardware is present. No modifications like illegal weld. And then we have release handle that we missed. This is your release handle. It is properly mounted and secure. It's not bent, broken or cracked. It's all the way in lock position right now. Then the mounting bolts. These are my mounting bolts. They need to be inspected separately. Make sure they are properly mounted and secure. They're not loose, missing, no shiny thread, no spidering around it. That might be an indication of loose hardware. And we have this one is a sliding fifth wheel. So we also need to mention the air lines. Make sure the air line is properly mounted and secure on both sides. No damage to the air line and no audible leaks. And you want to make sure that the fifth wheel is in lock position. Then we have two more things in the back of my fifth wheel. Go to the back of the tractor. Okay, this is the back view of your fifth wheel. You're looking for two things, which is, one is kingpin, which is connected with the apron. Kingpin is properly mounted, secure with the trailer. It's not damaged and should be properly greased all the time. And there is a locking jaw as well that keeps the kingpin in lock position. Make sure the locking jaw is properly mounted, it's not damaged, properly greased, and it should be in lock position when the trailer is connected. That's our connection. That's the end of the connection between the tractor and trailer.